Hey friends, I'm back. We're here to do a cash stuffing. Thank you if you stuck around while I had no videos this week. I just had no extra money to stuff, and so yeah, I'm not gonna try to force a video if I just don't have, the means. So today we're going to do a cash stuffing, and then we're going to do a savings challenge stuffing on Sunday. So I hope you'll stick around. Let's start with the rollover first and see what we're working with. I hope you're doing well. Yeah, it's been a minute since I filmed, so I don't even know. We did have our barbecue / party. It was a blast. So much fun. We got super lucky with the weather. It didn't rain at all. It was very hot. It was really a nice time. Lots of change this time. The camera is like weirdly close. I don't know. I'm zoomed out as far as I could get. I think it's just my mount needs to go higher, but that's okay. All right, so that's the change. Let's see what we have as far as cash goes. Let me try to put it in order. It's like all ones, so it's not a lot at all. Oh yeah, it's really a lot of ones. Okay, so 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So $57. As always, this is just going to go to the side for rollover. No, for savings challenges. Yes, my desk is an absolute mess. I have stuff everywhere. Look at, like, I can't even keep it out of the frame now, but that's okay. All right, so let's see. I have 160 here. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 160 for the stuffing. Let's take a look at the budget and see what we're doing. This is my bright, undated budget planner. This spiral bound version, I have one left in my Etsy shop, and then the non-spiral version, like a regular paperback bound book, is always available on Amazon, linked below, along with my other planners and savings challenge books. And you guys, I have a brand new savings challenge book that I just submitted for publication. Super excited about it. So that will be coming soon. It has to be like approved and then sent to me. And then once I receive it, I will of course film a video on it and show you guys. That process will probably take a couple weeks. So just be on the lookout for that. All right, we're working with the last paycheck of June, which means after this, I can film my sinking funds totals, and yeah, that'll be exciting. Okay, so we're just doing the usual 150 for the wallet. We're doing a couple sinking funds, if I could speak. And yeah, it's not much. It's going to be short and sweet. So I do need some change for my wallet. So let's do the sinking funds first. Let's start with beauty, because that is the one that I need change for. And beauty is gonna get $10. I actually think I have a massage in July, like the second weekend of July, maybe. I don't have any change in here, so let me kind of go through and see where I can pull change from. Yeah, I think the second week of July, I have a massage booked, and I do have a gift card for that, but I may need to pull some overage from the beauty fund, which that's okay. No change there. Okay, let me see. I might have to go into, well, I definitely have to go into a different binder. So let's see what we have in here. I could make change there, but that's a prop 10. If I have to, I can do that. But let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Of course, this is that fund where I just need to put a random dollar so that It's even. Okay, I don't know, you guys. I might have to go back to the Dogs Fund and pull that Prop 10, because I don't have change for 20s in any of these. Birthdays, I don't think I want to take any change out of that. Let's see. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna check one more place, and if that doesn't work, then I'm gonna pull from the Dogs Fund. Let's see. Let's go here. I feel like this has a lot of change. Let's see. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, perfect. So let's pull a 20. And this is what happens because I only go to the ATM. I don't bother going to the bank anymore. I can only take 20s out, and so I have to, you know, make change as I can just within my envelopes. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, perfect. All right, so 10 of this is gonna go to beauty. Let's get back to where we need to be here. 5 and 10. Add this on my tracker. So let me know what you all are up to. Like I said, I hope you're doing well. I told you about the party already. That was super fun. I do have a little bit of money left over from that, so that's awesome. I'll talk about that in my savings challenge stuffing. And yeah, I don't even know if I have anything else to update you on. Okay, so we should have 155, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 45, 55. Perfect, 155. And like I said, I have a massage booked, but I do have a gift card. So if I need to pull anything out of here, it might only be $10 or $20. Okay, Prime is gonna get 25. I do 25 a month to save up for my Amazon Prime subscription. But it's not just Prime. I also pay for Amazon Music for the year and an Amazon Kids subscription, which is for my kids' little tablets. It basically allows them to use any app they want, and, you know, not have to pay for it. So $25 a month is what I try to save. So I'm gonna go ahead and color in one of these on my tracker, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I colored in one of those. Let's go ahead and add the money. And of course, this is all prop money just because it's just in the savings account. There's no reason for it to ever be real cash, because once the payment is due, I just take it out of savings and then make the payment online. So we have 50, 100, 20, 30, 5, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 145. I don't even know how much Amazon Prime is up to, you guys. Is it like over 200 now? I really don't know. But as I said, this is for more than just Amazon Prime. Okay, so we did Prime, we did beauty. The last thing we're doing is just $10 into Christmas. Is it a lot? Absolutely not, but it's something. I try to keep this going, like I said, so that it doesn't fall behind, so it doesn't kind of fall by the wayside, go by the wayside. I think you know what I'm trying to say. So even though it's just $10, it's still $10, right? So we're working on Festive and Feisty. This is my savings challenge binder available in my Etsy shop. This is the $2,000 version. I know I have an IOU, and I know these numbers are huge. So I have an IOU of 5, which technically means I'm only putting 5 in. But I think we're just gonna up the IOU because I only have 20s and 30s left on this page. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a 20, and we're just gonna up this IOU to 15 because we're doing 20, I have 10, which means it's a $10 IOU, but I already had 5, so we're upping that to 15. Hopefully that made sense. We did knock out another 20, so that's good. and we have a $15 IOU, which means next time I need to try to put at least 35 to take care of the IOU and one of these 20s. This is a bigger page. It's 10s, 20s, and 30s. Of course, I did all the 10s already. It adds up to 170. But once this page is done, I'm going to be super happy because those are big numbers. Oh, this is a big page too, 172. But we're kind of like on the back end now. And so that makes me super duper happy. Okay, let's clip this back on and grab the money and see where we're at with Christmas 2026. So we have 1,150, 200, so 1,200, 20, 40, 55. 1,255 for Christmas of 2026. That makes me super duper happy. The last thing we have left to do is just stuff the wallet. So this should be $150. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Perfect. I don't use cash envelopes anymore. You guys know I just pull the cash as I need it just from the main section in my wallet, and that is what works for me for now. Okay, my friends, that is it. We're gonna check everything off our list. This was a super duper 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 short one. But I hope you're having a great week. Happy Friday, happy weekend. I'm so grateful that you're here. I love you guys so much. I'll catch you in the savings challenge video. Bye.